Hey family, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making brown rice. My mother-in-law recommended this to me for a healthier choice. At first I thought I wouldn't like it, but really I do. It has a nice nutty taste, and I like the texture. And also, it said to lower cholesterol, blood sugar levels, it moves waste through the digestive tract, it promotes fullness, and it may even help prevent formation of blood clots. So there's quite a few good reasons to want to eat it on a regular basis. And this is how we're going to do it. I have a half a cup of rice, which I've rinsed twice. I always rinse my rice. I have a cup and a half of water, salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to add my half a cup of rice to the pot. I turn my eye on high. And I'm going to add my cup and a half of water. Oh, that was messy. And we're going to add our salt. Some, not all of it. We're going to bring this to a vigorous boil, and then we're going to turn it down low and cover it. Okay, I brought it to a rapid boil, and you're going to let it do this for about 2, maybe 3 minutes. Then you turn it down to a low simmer. You'll let it break down to a low simmer, and then you cover it, and you let it do its thing. Make sure that you continue to check on it. You don't want all the water to boil out and it burn. It takes quite a bit longer than white rice, but be patient. It's worth it. When it cooks down to this low, when it's just like juicy, then you take it, cover it up again, and you set it aside and let it finish absorbing the water. Then you add your butter, then you fluff, and you serve. It's absorbed the rest of the water, but I just wanted you to see that when you can take it and just smash them, then you know they're done. I've added the rest of my butter and pepper, and there you have it, brown rice. Try it. I think you'll like it. It's really tasty, and it's good for you also. Thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. And pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for them. Pray for you. Pray for us. And pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, be well.